MotoGP is the fastest vehicles of the world.
The maximum level of the sport.
The best 24 riders in the world. Everything is so tight. The speed is so high. A big show, that's for sure. Win a MotoGP title is difficult. Everything has to be under control. The bike has to be in a perfect condition. You need to be full focus.
Physically, we are all prepared for that. But mentally, it's very demanding.
You need the team, the people around you.
Your team is human. They can do a mistake. You are human, and you can do mistake. One mistake can decide a championship. And of course, you need to be lucky.
So there is quite a big package.
And this makes this championship super interesting because till the end, you really don't know which rider will be the best.
We all want to win.
The main goal for every rider is to be on the number one.
If you don't have this goal, stay at home.